Okay, what we're going to do is get you to get your charts looking a little bit like this. So once you have your indicator installed, in order to get this indicator loaded up, you're going to right click anywhere on your chart and go down to where it says indicators. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and remove it since I was already had it added on my chart, but you will be able to find it in this list. It's going to be under XT for XABCD trading, and you're looking for XT News. So just go ahead, double click on that. And what you'll see is all your configurable properties. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but basically how many bars you want to look back. We look at a couple days worth of past news. It's fine if it's calculated on the bar close. It doesn't matter. It's going to be a daily reported news event. Oops. Anyways, we're then going to be looking at the lines. All these lines can be customizable, so their color, their style, the width. So for example, where you might be able to use this is if you wanted low priority alerts to appear on your chart, but you might not want them that visible because I have a black background. I might say I want a dim gray color here, and instead of it being a solid, I'll make it a dash. And just press OK, and all this is going to be plotted on. All the red ones are going to be the highest priority. All the orange ones are going to be medium, and then the low priorities are going to be all in gray, and holidays will be in green. Okay, so you can see the gray ones over here. They're going to be more faint. They're not going to stand out as much. The news events that are more noticeable that I might want to be aware of are going to be pasted here. Now, another thing that you should really know about this is that the news events that are being posted are going to be what we call smart news events. They're going to be news events that are only going to be related to the currency pair you're looking at. So this is a CAD yen. So these are all going to be CAD or yen news events. You can see this is the Bank of Canada. We got the Bank of Japan. They're going to be loaded on your chart. So you're not going to get stuff that's coming on the Aussie. News events for the Aussie unless you went to an Aussie chart. So if we go and we look at the Aussie dollar chart, all this stuff is going to be, you can see the holiday there in green. All the low priorities are in gray. The orange is going to be medium. The red's going to be more important. So all the US news, which is why there's a lot more on this chart, and the Australian news are going to be marked on here with your lines. So that's going to, allow you to only see what's relevant and be able to work with the news that you need to be aware of, so that you can either probably avoid that in your trades, or at least be aware of when it's coming out. Anyways, that's basically it. It's a pretty simple tool. It's pretty effective. And if you have any questions about us, let us know. Or if you have any features or stuff that you'd like to see in it, I highly recommend that you let us know that too. Otherwise, be safe, and don't forget to grab the magazine if you haven't read that, and you get it on the front page of our site, XABCDtrading.com.